Dear students, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Class 11th, subject to mathematics. Dear students, in today's video, we will solve question number 7 of exercise 3.1 trigonometric functions, chapter 3rd of our this textbook. As we have already solved 6 questions of this exercise in different videos. So today we will take question number 7. Find the angle in a radian through which a pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeter and the tip of the tip describes an arc of length first part है इसका 10 centimeter, second part is 15 centimeter and third part is 21 centimeter. So dear students, question says find the angle in radian through which a pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeter and the tip describes an arc of length 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 20 centimeter. So we have to find in each case the angle described at the center by the tip and by the arc. Now dear students, as you have seen or read about pendulum in the physics, फिजिक्स में आपने ये पढ़ा है पेंडुलम. तो मानिए कि ये एक पेंडुलम है, यहाँ से सस्पेंड है. तो पेंडुलम when it swings it goes to and fro position and its length is 75 centimeter. Its length is 75 centimeter. 75 centimeter of it describes if we will move it, it will make a circle. Now we have to find when its tip describes an arc. Say this arc. This arc first part हम लेते हैं लेंथ ऑफ आर्क फर्स्ट पार्ट जो है 10 सेंटीमीटर. ये लेते हैं लेंथ ऑफ आर्क 10 सेंटीमीटर and we have to find what angle it makes here. Say this is angle theta. Say it describes angle theta. This arc length. We have to find angle in radians. Now dear students, you know this length of this pendulum, this becomes radius. If we complete this one rotation of this, it will make a circle. If we complete this, it will make a circle. Now we have only given this arc length 10 centimeter 10 centimeter this arc length. We have to find what angle this arc subtends at the center here. If the length of the pendulum is 75 centimeter, length of pendulum is 75 centimeter. Now we have to find theta. Here this becomes the radius of the circle. Now length of the arc, this is L. Now length of arc L is 10 centimeter. We have to find this theta. And radius of the circle which it describes, that means radius R is equal to 75 centimeter. Now let it makes angle theta at here. It describes this arc describes angle theta. तो एंगल थीटा जो है ये हमें निकालना है. थीटा एंगल जो यहाँ पर ये बनाता है थीटा, ये हमें निकालना है थीटा. वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट दिस एंगल थीटा. नाउ वी नो दैट, जैसा कि आपने पिछले क्वेश्चनों में ये किया है, थीटा ये रिलेशन हमने की. वी नो दैट थीटा इज इक्वल टू एल बाई आर इन रेडियंस. थीटा जो होता है एल बाई लेंथ ऑफ आर्क, that is length of arc divided by length of arc divided by radius, that is L. Theta will be equal to L is equal to 10 and R is equal to 75, and this theta will become a radian in radians. Yes, angle will be in now radians because this angle is subtended by the arc, so it will be in a radian. तो यहाँ पर हम देख सकते हैं 5 2s are 10, 5 से कटेगा 5 2s are 10, 5 1s and 5 5s are 5 15. So it is equal to theta is equal to 2 by 15 radian. So the angle described, the angle by which the pendulum of length 75 centimeter swings if it describes an arc of length 10 centimeter is 2 by 15 radian. 2 by 15 radian. So ये इसका आंसर रहा. The angle by which the pendulum of length 75 centimeter swings if it describes an arc of length 10 centimeter, it will make here angle 2 by 15 radian. 2 by 15 radian. It is 2 by 15 radian. और इसी तरह से आप पार्ट नंबर 2 भी कर सकते हैं. पार्ट नंबर 2 वेरी इजी. पार्ट नंबर 2 में भी अगर पेंडुलम सेम है, लेंथ ऑफ पेंडुलम सेम है, लेकिन लेंथ ऑफ आर्क जो है वो चेंज हो जाती है. लेंथ ऑफ आर्क यहाँ पर L जो लेंथ ऑफ आर्क है वो 15 सेंटीमीटर. ये आप जिस तरह से आपने पार्ट नंबर 1 किया इसी तरह से पार्ट नंबर 2 भी कर सकते हैं आप लोग. और पार्ट नंबर 2 है जो लेंथ ऑफ आर्क कितनी है, लेंथ ऑफ आर्क L जो है इस वक्त 15 सेंटीमीटर है और रेडियस यानी R जो है वो इस वक्त भी 75 सेंटीमीटर है बिकॉज इट इज सेम पेंडुलम. first part it described this length of arc 10 centimeter. Now we have to find the angle here which is described by the length of arc 15 centimeter. Now theta हमें मालूम करना है. So we know that the relation theta is equal to L by R. So L is here 15 and R is 75 radian. Both आसान है. Theta will be equal to 15 1 or 15 5 1 by 5 radian. तो यहाँ पर थीटा हमें ये मिल गया है. दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ सेकंड पार्ट. और इसी तरह से थर्ड पार्ट लेंथ ऑफ आर्क क्या है. लेंथ ऑफ आर्क जो है एल वो 21 सेंटीमीटर है. यानी ये 21 सेंटीमीटर है इस वक्त. ये 21 centimeter L and this is 75 centimeter. Here let it makes angle theta here. So we have to find the theta. So length of arc is 21 centimeter and radius R is equal to 75, same pendulum, and we know that theta हमें निकालना है. Angle described by the tip of the pendulum when it describes this arc of length 21 centimeter. Theta ये हमें निकालना है. तो we know that theta is equal to L by R. We know that ये रिलेशन जो हमने पहले ही किया, थीटा इज इक्वल टू L by R. थीटा L is equal to 21 divided by R is 75. तो ये एंगल जो है रेडियन में आ जाएगा. थीटा विल बी दैट इज इक्वल टू 3 7s, 3 से कटेगा 3 7s, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s. That will be equal to 7 by 25 radian. So in case third, when length of arc is 21 centimeter and the angle in radian will be 7 by 25. When length is 15, the angle described by the arc of length 15 centimeter will be 1 by 5 radian. तो इस तरह से ये एक्सरसाइज आज ख़त्म हो गई. Exercise 3.1 is now completed in today's video. Today is enough. Khuda Hafiz.